I did promise to do a video about an area of preps where I was not as well prepared as I was with the light, so here I'm doing power. This is a monitor that I bought that you can plug into a wall socket, and it will then show you what you plug into it, how much power it's pulling through. You can see I'm cycling through here. It shows the voltage, the current, and this is the energy, the total energy that's used. And I'm about to plug it into this vacuum cleaner, which I will then switch on, and there it goes. If you plug in your cost, you can work out the price at the bottom. These are some batteries I got from Amazon. I got the AAAs and also AA's. I got 100 of each. And 9-volt batteries that I use for the fire alarms. I realized there's only 2, so I've just ordered another box of these. And also my rechargeables that I use for my remotes and for most of my everyday appliances. My previous housemates nicked a few of these, so I've just bought some more of these as well. This is my everyday carry power bank, fairly new. It's got the digital display as well. I like it. This is a one I got from Turkey. This I like because it's got big capacity and also it has the cables on the underside. This is my homemade Faraday tin, and in here I keep most of my power banks that I'm not actively using in either my work bag or in my coat. This was very naughty. I'd stored one with the cable in it. Don't do that. It makes it much more vulnerable if there's an EMP, that sort of thing. So by all means keep the cables with it, but don't store them actually plugged in. Another DIY Faraday tin, and this one again has got a power bank in it. Here's my old battery charger. This works in pairs of AA or AAA. And this one is my new version, which obviously has more capacity and also can charge singly rather than having to do it in pairs. And here's my newest toy. This is the EcoFlow 1500. And I bought this really so that I can power the chest freezer in cycling blackouts. I've just had a new consumer unit fitted, and it's a big step up in terms of safety. It's got RCBOs, not just one RCD for the whole house, but individual protection for each circuit. So if something trips, it only takes out that one circuit instead of plunging the whole house into darkness. Much better fault isolation. It's also got surge protection built in, which protects my appliances and electronics from voltage spikes like lightning strikes or grid switching events. Extra resilience for things like my freezer, computer and power stations. And finally, this is a little solar panel that I've got. This isn't really enough to charge up the Delta 3, I don't think. I haven't really tried that on that, but it's great for the little power banks. I do want to improve my solar, and I'm going to get some proper solar panels that I can put in the garden to charge up the Delta 3. So all in all, I think my power situation is not as good as my lighting, but it's a lot better than it was before I bought the Delta 3. Let me know in the comments below how you think your power situation is and what you think I might do to improve, other than perhaps just buying some more solar. Thank you for your time and attention, and I look forward to our next video.